Welcome to another new episode of the Declutter Me podcast with myself, Shelina. How are you all doing? I hope you've had a lovely Christmas or holiday wherever you are in the world. I was back in the UK with my family celebrating my parents' 50th anniversary. Yep, they've been married for 50 years. This is bonkers. Anyway, so this week I'm not going to talk about New Year's resolutions. I want to talk about restarting. We've had this weird year of 2021 where it's been like sort of okay, but not, and just weird. And then of course we had 2020, which was just, yeah. So 2022, we don't know what's going to happen, except that there's going to be a World Cup, hopefully. So I'm thinking, let's just restart. Let's not make any resolutions we cannot keep. Let's not have wishes for things that might not happen or might happen. Let's just press start and see what happens. So sort of like have a restart. First, let's take a break. I think we need to break. Have a long sleep, a rest, and a relax. So most probably, if you were, celebrating your Christmas and everything with your family, all the holidays with your family, you haven't been able to relax. Let's be honest. So now is the time to just take a moment, take a breath, have a long sleep, take a rest. For me, during 21, I forgot what year we are already. I was working non-stop all year and taking on so much. I was finishing my book and getting it published, and so by the time I got to December, I was just burnt out. My body couldn't take it. I got the flu, and then I got the stomach flu that's been going around. I had friends who were suffering the same thing. Some of them even got COVID. And then, you feel like you had to catch up. You have to catch up after being ill because you missed days off. But it meant that I didn't recover properly. I didn't let my body recover from whatever I was suffering from. So now I'm thinking I need to relax. I need to take a break. I need to have a few days off just to reset my body, reset my mind, and clear everything from the last year so that I'm ready for this new year. It's going to be difficult for a lot of people. If you cannot, do that, like take time off to relax, just take a day off to go to a day spa or take a staycation overnight, Otherwise, just watch Netflix or Disney Plus like I do and chill, sit on the couch, with your pets and just be calm. Just don't do much. And have a long sleep. I like sleeping on my couch. It's the most comfortable couch in the world. So I just fall asleep on the couch with the cats. Then once you're refreshed, can't talk today. Once you're refreshed, it's time to restart your life. So look at what is causing you pain during the last year and see how you can alleviate the pain. Say if there were issues with your plumbing or with, say, your electrical equipment, like your washing machine wasn't working properly, get an electrician in or a plumber in to fix it. If you don't have time to go do the shopping, start doing it online. Make a list, do it online, or get someone else to help you to do it. If you're surrounded by clutter in your house and you can't find your stuff in less than 5 seconds, get a professional organizer in to help you to get rid of the clutter quickly and easily. The key thing to remember is to get help. So make it this year the year of help. It may cost money, but think about it. It'll save you time and mental angst to get it done with the help of someone else. And if you can get a friend or a family member to help you, that's even better. You just have to give them, a cup of tea and some biscuits if they help you or something. I get my dad to help me with my DIY when he comes, but, unfortunately he hasn't been able to come for a few years. So the DIY things have been piling up. So either I do it or I get someone else to do it for me. But call someone to help you. Get rid of those things that are causing you angst in your house and in your life, and get someone to help you. The same mentally, if you are, going through things and you need help, go see a therapist, go see a doctor, see if you can get help to sort out that issue. Don't drown in whatever's happening in your head, that all that clutter and stuff that will affect your day-to-day life, because it will affect your body as well. It doesn't just affect your mind, it goes everywhere. So get help in, physically or mentally. And that's the key thing to think about. Restarting your life is getting help as well. You're not just restarting yourself, you're restarting everything about your life as well. As you may know, I'm not a fan of resolutions. I've said it often enough on previous podcasts. I feel like resolutions just put too much burden on you to get something done. If you don't do it, you feel deflated. And, why should you feel deflated with your life? Remove that feeling this year by not putting resolution pressure on yourself. If you can do something, awesome. If not, it's not the end of the world. It's great to have aspirations, but not when it's detrimental to your mental and physical health. So just don't have resolutions, please. And often, another thing I often hear in the new year is that we should take time to meditate. Remove all the audio and visual simulations and just spend 15 minutes meditating. I personally cannot sit still for 15 minutes, and if I try, my cats will try and bother me. So my method to get away from everything, and my method of meditating, is to go watch a movie. I love going to the cinema. I can switch off my phone. I don't talk to anyone. I just look at the screen. I don't move unless I really need to go to the toilet. And that's my form of meditation. That's my form of getting away from it all. So find your way of getting away from it all, whether it's hiding in a cinema, meditating for 15 minutes, or doing something else. Find what works for you this year, and getting your thoughts back together. Do what works for you and suits your lifestyle. So this is my key takeaway this year. So I want you to restart in a way that works for you. Make your life easier for you mentally and physically. If you do need help to organise the clutter, which is, affecting you mentally and physically, get in touch with me and see how I can help you. Also, it would be lovely if you can follow us on DECLUTTRME on all your social media, and also on your favourite podcast players. And it would be even lovely if you could leave a review. So thank you again for listening. Thank you for listening during 2021 and for all your love and support and comments. And I hope you have a brilliant restart to the new year. Take care. Bye.